could you help me to update my fitness plan for this year?
Hello, my name is Katya. I'm the founder of Mantle Chat. Today I'm going to show you how we implemented voice to text in Mantle Chat using ElevenLabs. And I will also walk you through my current workflow and the tools I use to ship features end to end. First, I created a linear issue, and then I created a new branch in the repo. Next, I used Claude Code in Visual Studio Code, and I connected it to my current linear issue using an MCP server. Then I asked Claude Code to start in plan mode, so it could propose an approach before writing any code. After it finished, it asked a few questions where I could choose preferences and add some comments. I answered those, added some screenshots, and also shared extra context. When I read through the plan, asked follow-up questions, especially around UI and UX ideas, and verified everything against the linear issue. After that, I asked Codex for a second opinion to validate the plan, and I reviewed it one more time before moving on. Next, I went to ElevenLabs and created an API key for Mantle Chat. I enabled what we need, speech to text for this feature, plus text to speech for our blog, and few other configurations. Codex had already finished its review, but I still had a few additional questions, so I used Codex to add more details and think through edge cases. Once we updated the plan, I added the API key to my .env file, and that completed the first iteration. I also looked at how similar features behave in our apps, and I really liked how Cursor did it, where voice input feels reactive. You see the words appearing as you speak, which makes the experience feel much more responsive. So we decided to implement real-time transcription. We also added a dedicated panel above the text input, where your words appear in real time as you speak. Once I was happy with how it looked and felt, I asked Claude Code to do a first review. Then I ran lint and the tests, fixed the remaining issues, and created a pull request. Copilot and Codex left comments, and I reviewed them with AI. Also, I asked my partner and mentor co-creator to review the PR as well. He is a highly skilled developer, and his feedback was super helpful. After that, we had a few discussions on how to improve the UX, and we continued iterating until we were happy with the results. And that's it. Voice to text is implemented, and you can now use it in Mantle Chat. Overall, this took us around 2 hours end-to-end research, creating an issue, planning, implementation, testing, review, and some pollution. If you are enjoying this video and want more workflows like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.